So students, this noise pollution created every day, what effects it causes in our health? So this noise pollution can cause following problems. First, dizziness, headache. Second, third, earache, our pain in the ear. Then tiredness, we would feel tired. Stress, we would have a lot of stress. We would have loss of sleep, we don't feel like sleeping. Even we would have a loss of concentration, we could not concentrate on studies or on particular thing. We would suffer from hypertension, and sometimes it can cause even permanent loss of hearing. So this noise pollution can cause hearing loss and irritability in animals too, like it does in ours. So how we can reduce this noise pollution? First, we should avoid using loudspeakers for too long or too loudly. Next, the electrical appliances we use every day should be checked regularly, such that whatever sound it is making can be reduced. Next is traffic should be regulated to avoid the noise of the vehicles. Unnecessary honking, especially in the residential areas, near hospitals, near schools, should be banned. Using of the heavy carpets and curtains at the home can control the sound, can absorb the sound coming from the outside, so it can help us. Even planting the trees in the neighborhood can even absorb the noise to a great extent. We should even avoid watching television and listening to the radio at high volumes. So these were the different ways of reducing the noise pollution. So students, here we end up a small chapter that was sound and noise. It is a very easy and small chapter. I would like to guide you to read once, go through this chapter, and in our next lecture we would continue with the chapter 9, that is work and energy. Till then, keep studying science. Thank you.